Hey, do you want to know how to do keyword research for affiliate marketing? So a lot of people that are on my channel, and if you look around, you're looking to generate income online. One of the best ways of doing that is affiliate marketing. You can create content that gets found in the search engines on YouTube or whatever about particular products, and the company will give you a cut of the sale. That's affiliate marketing if you didn't know. But to get those rankings, to be able to get in front of people, you need to know what keywords to use because if you are selling, I don't know, let's say indoor fake plants on my mantelpiece there, that's what's called a broad term. There's probably lots and lots of people got that stuff on. You can be more specific by going indoor fake cactus plant, indoor plastic cactus plant, indoor, fake green. And so the idea is the more specific you become, the easier it is to find these keywords for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to share with you two, three ways, maybe four, I think, but we'll see, that are absolutely totally free. I mean, one of them I pay, I think, $10 a month for, but there is the free version, and I get the extra functionality out of it. What pays me more than I spend on $10 a month, trust me. So let's not hesitate. Let's get right in. I'm going to share my screen. So, okay, so this is a site called AnswerThePublic.com. You get 3 searches a day for free if you can just go register a free account. There are upgrade options. I don't know what they are because I just used the free one. Um, it's only £11 UK. It's only £11. Save up to 90%. Wow. So that gives you 100 searches a day, right? You get a bit more information out of it. But I am generally quite happy rather, just with my short little 3 searches a day. So let's supposing, for example, I am in the affiliate marketing business and I sell affiliate marketing tools. So affiliate marketing. Okay, so and I want to search for the United States, bigger area in the language English. So you go and you click search. Ding, ding, ding. Right, and you get a bit more information. I think if you do pay, I might think about doing it. But it tells me, 90,500 people search for that. Cost per click is $4.89. So if I run ads, it's going to cost me $4.89 per click for that term, right? So I don't stand much chance. Well, it'd be hard to make that pay. So I don't want the wheel. I just want a list or a table. Let's try a table. I haven't done a table for a while. Right. So what Answer the Public is great at doing is kind of breaking stuff up into easy sections for you. So, and if you're thinking about advertising on, say, Facebook, compared with trying to get found in Google and YouTube. Google and YouTube are search engines. So questions are amazing, right? If you can answer people's questions. So if I want to know how to build a landing page, right, and I have a product that I could promote that does that for you. So somebody searches how to make a landing page for affiliate marketing and they come across your video and you're demonstrating a tool and recommending it to them, they might go and they might buy it. And that's how this whole thing works. But for that, I need to know how to actually, get found. So let's do landing page, affiliate marketing landing page. So that seems like maybe a video I could do, right? So let's have a look. So if I was going to make a video, and I actually am planning to do one, so I'm sort of doing some of my research live in front of you to find the right keywords. So it's showing just 4 questions. Again, let's put it in a table, easier. Why landing page is important for affiliate marketing. Great, I can do a video on that. And by the way, if you're looking at this and you're going, well, I want to do the same, but I don't know, I don't know what to say about that really. You copy that and you come to maybe somewhere like Perplexity or ChatGPT or Grok or DeepSeek. You come to any of these and you go, DeepSeek, can you can you please give me video ideas for this subject? And it will go away for a minute and it will basically tell you landing pages are crucial for affiliate marketing because they help convert visitors into customers by focusing their attention on a specific offer. So that's how, if you're not sure, you can go and easily learn that. To be honest with you, if you do that, if you've been in affiliate marketing any length of time, you will probably know most of this anyway. You just needed the prompt to kind of tell you what you didn't realize you knew, right? And then how you can make your video better. So that's how Answer the Public works. It's really, really good. There's all these different ways of finding it. Questions are alphabeticals, affiliate marketing landing page builder, best affiliate marketing landing page. So I like some of these, all right? And it's great for ideas. The other thing you can do, based maybe what you found on Answer the Public, or maybe not, you can come into good old YouTube and you can say, right, affiliate marketing. Now watch what happens, right? Can you see this list here? Let me clear this. Okay. If I click the search box, it comes up with stuff that I've searched for in the past, maybe, right? But if I go affiliate marketing, can you see what it's doing? It's pulling up related words. These are all searches that people use in YouTube. So this is another way you can find keywords. Affiliate marketing landing page. So what we got? Affiliate marketing landing page free. Affiliate marketing landing page that convert like crazy. Amazon affiliate marketing landing page, good one. ClickBank affiliate marketing landing page. So these are all good, right? These are all kind of good ideas. What am I lacking though? I'm lacking any kind of idea about how many people actually search for them. So stick with me just another 2-3 minutes and I'll share with you something that will tell you, right? Which is really, really good. In fact, I mean, Answer the Public didn't really tell you search volume. Look, search volume 30, and some of these it's too low to even count. So although they're good ideas and you get an idea, it's still not brilliant. You just wait 2-3 minutes. So one way, Answer the Public, very good at coming up with ideas. Then you can just use the actual search thing in YouTube to come up with ideas, and these are all good. But then you might want to think, well, is it worth searching for these? Is it trending? There's a good old website, it's been around donkeys, called Google Trends. So you can come into Google Trends and you can go affiliate marketing landing page. Oops. Affiliate. Can't write. Marketing landing page. Okay, and there it is, right? So I can just click explore. And it's come up with United Kingdom. No interest, not enough data. Let's try worldwide over the past 90 days in all categories. And I want to do this for YouTube. So I'm going to go YouTube search. Affiliate marketing landing page. Did I spell it right? Yes, I did. So interest over time, okay, it's telling me it seems to have become more popular lately, right? Which is cool. But not actually trending or anything, right? So not really amazing, okay? Affiliate landing page for affiliate marketing. Yeah, it's not amazing, is it? There's some related topics there if you want to go those. So I'm not that impressed. Let's just look at affiliate marketing. Just that on its own is better. United States, past 90 days, all categories. And this doesn't give you an exact number. What it does, though, it gives you a scale from like 0 to 100, and 100 just means that's the most popular. So we can see overall this is actually maybe declining as a trend. Okay, but I can see interest in sub-region in the States, United States. For some reason, South Dakota, more crazy. So related queries. Now these are what I like, right? I like these because these are rising keywords, and you can select rising or you can select top, right? But rising ones means you might get in front of a wave, and you're kind of giving the algorithms what they want. If people are searching for this and they haven't got as much content, and I know TikTok work like that apparently, it's good. So how to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest is a breakout. So you can click that. And there's not enough data, but it means that it's kind of breaking out and getting more popular. So I might want to do that. So there you go. So there's an idea for that. Now I said I'd share with you a way that will give you ideas. And you can see I've just been looking at using this tool. It's called VidIQ. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll leave links to all of them in the description, right? This is VidIQ, and this is why I love VidIQ. So affiliate marketing keyword research, right? So I've got an overview, and that just gives you a quick a quick idea. To be honest, I don't really look at that. What I do is I come up here, and the first thing I do is I go related keywords. It'll give me search volume, and this is based on YouTube, and it will give me the competition, and it will give me an idea of higher is better, low competition, and high monthly searches result in higher scores. So it looks at the relationship between the number of searches and the competition to give me a rough idea, I would say, and you can sort it in order of how easy this is going to be to rank for, right? And it goes green is good. Okay, obviously higher the number the better. So 79 is the highest, right? And that's for Amazon KDP because these are related, right? Well, I don't want related, right? I want stuff that includes my term. So I can go matching terms, okay, and do the same thing. And my highest there is 69, still not bad. I don't know who Edie Chandra is. Keyword research Facebook, affiliate marketing MC. But anyway, if I look at affiliate marketing keyword research, then I've got 2,358 searches a month with very low competition, overall 64. So affiliate marketing keyword research is my keyword. Like I said earlier, if you can answer people's questions, they actually have a questions thing on here as well. So again, you can sort it, makes it nice and easy. You just look down the list and go, well, that seems like the biggest, that's easy to rank for. But if you made a video on all of these, the ones that you can, right? And they all just brought you, if you made one a day, let's say on average, and they all brought you one visitor a month, that's 365 visitors a month just for making videos. And if you're consistent and you do more, your views will increase and your subscribers will increase as well. So that's one way of doing it. So I really, really like VidIQ. It has other benefits as well. If you come to your YouTube channel, it works as a, what do they call it? An extension to Edge or Chrome. And why that is good is if I go and view my channel, you can view channel stats. So as you can see, I've got 30 subscribers. My views are up 149% because I'm really dialing into using YouTube. And I have a good way of using AI. Use Google AI Studio to help me write the descriptions. I'll link to that video at the end of this if you want to see how I'm doing it. And I've put 21 videos on. And using this system makes it a lot easier for me using this keyword research. Also, if you come to a particular video, like let's look at, let's go to videos. And we look at, where's that good one? So we look at here, look, AI agent affiliate marketing demo, futures here. You can go and click on it. Shut up, Paul. And you can go analytics. So it'll tell me about this video in particular. So it's not just about the keyword research, it's about finding why your video performed so you can try and make it happen again, basically. So this tells me some of my stats. It got me 15 subscribers, my reach, okay, where's it all coming from? YouTube search terms, affiliate marketing 1.5%, AI affiliate marketing 1.5%, affiliate 1%. Okay, you can go and see more. So you get ideas what you get found for with search terms. Okay, you can do that. You can find out where they were if there's enough data. There isn't always enough data, but United Kingdom second, United States number one. It's cool. You find your age of your, viewer age and stuff. It will tell you. I'm not sure how much of this you get on YouTube itself. I just tend to use this. Now, the other thing you get here, look, is remix. So I like this remix feature because it will give you ideas to kind of do a similar video to give you more keyword ideas. Okay, and then another cool thing is if I go to create a video, so if I go to upload a video and you want to rank for a particular keyword, let's just put any old video in here. Let's do this one. So in a second, what will come up here is a score. And it's like, what search term do you want to rank for? So I could say affiliate, whoops, affiliate keyword research. What was it? Affiliate marketing keyword research. I'll get it right in a minute. Affiliate marketing keyword research. So you can do that, and if you upgrade, um, it will help you try and rank for that. But look here, here's my score. So optimized score, 20 out of 100, right? Now I don't, as you can see, I don't use that. This is what I do. Okay, so I would tend to write a good title anyway, but it's telling me here, it's giving me ideas, right, based on the video. All right. So if I pick one of these, it's giving me a score 94, 96. So if I that's mentioned in the video, but I think that actually fits better for the viewer. But if I click that, see that score there, look, 20 out of 100. Having a good title has improved that greatly. Then it also helps looking at your description. It will give you AI description recommendations, right? And then it also can generate a thumbnail for you, and it even knows if your thumbnail's too busy and not very good. So if it's a good idea to put your keywords in your title, in your description, and on your thumbnail. That's what people see. And vidIQ helps with all of that. So like I say, free version. Even gives you the recommended tags. They are rubbish for that video. I find that sometimes, but usually it's pretty good, but sometimes it's way off. That's just because this video is a bit talking about a few things. So I like it. Go and grab yourself a free account with all of these, and good luck with your affiliate marketing stuff. If you like these sort of videos, of course, subscribe. That's what everybody says on YouTube. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. Right. And with that, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.